Hey, what is going on, everybody? Today I have this acrylic sheet right here, and this is going to be used to go on the floor where my office chair normally goes. This is going to be so helpful and nice to have, especially on these hard wood style floors that I have. This chair doesn't roll that great on it, and I also don't want to damage the floor that this chair is on, so this sheet here is going to be perfect. And of course, I'll show you guys a full overview of what it looks like. I will tell you guys it's 36 inches by roughly like 48 inches, so that's the size of it. And it does have a beveled edge, which is really, really nice to roll on and off from, unlike a lot of the other ones that are out there on the market with just a flat style edge that makes it really difficult to roll on and off of. So let me go ahead and put this down and show you guys what it looks like and how it functions. All right, guys, so first things first, this thing is crystal clear. So you can still see your beautiful floor if you would like. And then I'll show you guys down here, close up of the beveled edge. It's consistent all the way around. It's a really, really nice look. And then you guys can see that the chair right here just rolls right onto it, no problem. So it rolls on and off with ease. I'm barely pushing. So just note, guys, that that beveled edge is very, very, very nice. This is not too thick either, just to show you guys, not too thick, but it is very durable and it's not going to shatter like a lot of the glass ones out there, the cheap plastic ones out there. So this is scratch resistant and it's definitely not going to shatter, so it's safe to have as well. With this, you guys get these 6 non-slip little grips here that can go on the bottom of it here, especially if you're putting this on like a tile or hardwood, just to keep it in place. So it's really nice that you guys get these. And well, now that I'm sitting in the chair, I'm on it, I gotta say this is so much better than just having my chair on this floor. Now this can work great with various types of floors, from tile to wood to laminate to even carpet. Carpet can be great too. So anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just sitting on this right now. It works great. It covers a good amount of space. So it's exactly what I need for my desk right here where I work. So overall, I'm very impressed, and I definitely recommend this to all of you out there.